G'day folks, it's Laura here, and today I'm going to do a flip cup pour. This time my colours include brilliant magenta, vermilion, yellow orange, jaune brilliant, cadmium yellow light, iridescent gold from Pebeo, and titanium white. Now I only want a very small amount of these darker colours in this pour, and so I'll just use a small amount of that paint. Now with this pour, I'm going to use a combination of pouring media. So I've been trialing this clearer pouring medium, so it's got a reduction in the amount of wall paint and an increase in gloss varnish. So I'll be using some of this, as well as another trial pouring medium which is even clearer and has more gloss varnish in it. The reason I'm using both of these is because I'm getting to the bottom of my trial tubs and I might not have enough for a single pour from one of them. So it's time to layer the cup now, and I'm going to be using my standard cell activator for this. I'll link to a video on how to make this if you're interested. And I'm going to start using a generous layer on the bottom and the sides of the cup. Now I've just surrounded the yellow colour with the white because yellow tends to disappear in these types of pours unless you have an isolation layer between it and other colours. Now I've already prepared my canvas This is the back of the canvas, and I've added painter's tape as well as giant push pins. So it's time to flip the cup now. That's just stunning. So I'm just going to get the rest of the paint out of the cup, spread it around the edges and the corners. Okay, I'm just going to start by popping the bubbles with my heat gun. And then I need to center the paint a little bit more. Okay, now to spin it out. I think this one only probably needs another quick spin. Amazing. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure the corners are covered. Then I'll pull off the paint from underneath. Fantastic. I am so impressed with how bright this piece is. And I seem to not have had the same problem that I've been having recently with the high gloss pouring mediums of getting a lot of bubbles in there. There might be a small patch of bubbles just here, but I think for the most part the media are fairly smooth actually. I'm just absolutely loving the lacing up here, as well as the beautiful layers that are coming through here and the lines, the wafty kind of lines. So really pleased with this piece. Thanks very much everyone for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments.